Hi beauties. If you watched my last video, you saw that I replaced my wink of Stella, which means I have a wink of Stella that I have already used up. But I wanted to show you how I could push it a little bit further, and I just wrote brush on here with a Sharpie, and that lets me know that I could just use this as a brush. Oh, you can, so there's no more in here, it's all gone, it's all out, but there's still a little bit in here, but it's all done, it's not coming out anymore. So if I wanted to get a little more use out of it, what you're going to do is you're going to take this little black piece off, just like that, and I'm just going to get a little sponge here to put it on, but you're just going to remove that. And then you're going to take this guy, and I'm just going to put some isopropyl alcohol in there. And you don't have to put a whole lot, but leave enough that this can fit back in there. And then I'm going to take this again. Ah, exactly what I didn't want it to do, but that's okay. And we're just going to pop that back in there. And then you can put this right back in. You're going to shake it up. And you can use this as a brush, and it'll give it a little bit of a, you can hear it in there. It'll give it a little bit of a shimmer. It's coming out now. And you see that shimmer is right back in there. And then it's going to dry up because it has that alcohol in there, so you get a little bit more use out of it. Another thing you can do once you get rid of all of that, do the same thing. You can keep refilling it with the isopropyl alcohol, and then just grab one of your re-inkers and stick a drop in there, and you'll have a little bit of a nice shimmery colored ink. So I hope you like that little little trick, tip, whatever you want to call it, but it helps me extend it, and it lets me play with watercolors as well as a brush. And I could show you that real quick too. So I'll just take this little strawberry slush, I'll put that on my glass mat, and we're going to go ahead and pull that off. We're going to get some of that ink there and go ahead and put that down there. You need a little more water. Go ahead and put that on there. And you see that color and shimmer is so pretty. So there we go. And let me know your thoughts. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.